Hey everyone, today I'm here to bring you a wig review in partnership with UniWigs. This is Dorothy Remy Human Hair Wig by UniWigs. If you want to know more about this style or UniWigs in general as a resource for wig wearing, then stick around. This piece is the fact that it does not have a lace front. So if you are sensitive to lace fronts, if you find them irritating, or if you just don't prefer them, it is great to be able to show you guys some wigs that don't have a lace front. And so if you're gonna cut bangs into it anyway, you know, I can't get it to lay perfectly because I worked hard to put the part where it is, but if you took a hair dryer and you got it so it would lay forward with no cowlick right there, you totally can. It's only doing that because of how I worked on it. I think you could cut bangs into this one great, and then you don't have to navigate a lace front. You don't have to cut the lace on a wig. So I definitely think there are benefits to non-lace front wigs depending on how you wear them. But if your hair color can match it, then I really think that you can make the non-lace front work by pulling out, I don't have bio hair in the front to do this with, but by pulling out a little bit of your bio hair and then just sort of combing it back into the wig, similar to what some people do with toppers, and that could help a lot. So please keep in mind, if you have some bio hair or a lot of bio hair, you can always use it to blend with your wig, whether it's blending the sideburns, whether it's pulling hair out in the front. There are lots of things you can do to blend your hair to make wigs look more natural. So this is what we've got here. We've got, like I said, no lace front. That's just a reinforcement seam, which is really what I think you're seeing when you can kind of see the end of it right in the front. And it's definitely not super scratchy. It's not the smoothest top I've ever felt. Silk tops are usually smoother, but this feels really good and it's not super scratchy. We've got ear tabs with comb or clips in them, pressure clips, just like a topper would have. And so I just want you to see how easy. You just throw it on, comb it out, you know, arrange the hair however it is that you have it, and you're good to go. It's just the easiest, quickest wig to wear. The other thing I want to point out, because all of this is parting space, you can part this one anywhere within that parting space, which goes kind of from here to here. If you've got bio hair on the sides that match the color of the wig that you're getting, just pull that bio hair out. Let me kind of demonstrate that for you. Just pull that bio hair out. It's a little sticky now from that pen that I had never used before. And then you can blend it in with the wig. As long as it is a close match to the color, that helps so much with realism, and I do it often when my hair matches the wig. Almost all the time. So before we talk about color, I just want to give you my overall impression of this piece. Then we'll talk about color and we'll go outside and I'll let you see this color outside. I think this wig is super, super comfortable. I am enjoying it so much. I actually wish it were in a color that I wear more frequently. I don't really gravitate toward the super dark brunettes. So it's just a beautiful, rich, chocolatey brown. Super deep, like dark chocolate. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. All right, friends, this is this beautiful espresso brown color outside. Where's that sun? Whew, bright in my eyes. I want you guys to be able to see it in direct sunlight.